Deputy Chief Minister and Chairman of the High-Level Committee on Harijan Colony, President Tinsong, said that communication from the Harijan Panchayat Committee HPC is still awaited to move forward on the matter. The HPC was given the blueprint of the location and they were supposed to discuss among themselves and get back to the state government. Regarding the reports of MEECL and rice scam inquiry, the Deputy Chief Minister on Thursday informed that directions have already been given to the political department to send the reports to MEECL and rice scam inquiry report to all the legislators of the State Assembly.
Urban Affairs Minister has already replied. Now, because the court has given some kind of direction, so because till now they have not communicated anything to the government, to the committee. Because that day I told them, you please, the moment you shut down among yourself, then you please communicate so that I can call a meeting. So in the meantime, the court also has given the direction. So we are waiting for that. We are waiting for that.
So
I don't know, but we have already given direction. Direction has been given. One is MECL, and then number two is
rice.
the rice thing.
A massive fire